I think the concept of chef's table has originated in a way that you let the chef decide for you what to cook, what to drink, and we want them to just have a wonderful dining experience. It's an opportunity for any guest to be able to book a journey through the culinary and through the flavor of our cuisine and our collaboration together. Voila, you start with a champagne reception, a tour of the galley where you can take picture with the chef, then you're escorted to your table, and there will start a 5-course menu. This is a unique experience. People enjoy cruising because they like to socialize. It gives them an opportunity to sit down with a small group of other people who share the same passion for food, for wine, and they're gonna be talking about it for years after their journey.